Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we know that Croatia has um, joined the Schengen area. So now a lot of people don't have to apply for a visa to Croatia if they already have a Schengen visa based on situations. So I won't go much into that. So in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply for a visit visa to Schengen. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the official Republic of Croatia Ministry of Foreign Affairs and European Affairs page. So here they have given this visa requirements overview, and they have separate sections for everything. Like on this page, based on your country, you can select what are the requirements you have. So for example, if you're from India, if you go in Indian search, it is gonna tell you that passport required, yes. Visa requirement on ordinary passport, yes. Citizen of India, yes. Okay. And also the address. So when it comes to submit the application, so in India, they have, outsource it to VFS Global. So if you click on this link, you're gonna open. So if you go, so we are going for a short-term visa type C, right? We all know that. If you go here, oh, I'm sorry. We know the visa time, right? So next is begin your application. So we need to fill the visa application form and arrange the documents as per the checklist. So we are opening. Oh, what happened? Okay, no worries. We'll go and download the document from other link. Okay, so now I've gone to the official site. Yeah, Shenzhen visa ANC. Okay, from here, probably I should get it. So this is in English. Okay, finally I managed to get the application form. All right, so you need a photo. 1, 2, 3 should be as per your passport. Okay, date of birth, place of birth. These are basic information, and because it is English form, this is in both date, birth information, travel document, relationship, purpose of the journey. These questions we see very similar in all Schengen applications. Fingerprint if they have collected before. Now, if somebody is inviting you, you need to provide that information. Cost, how you're gonna pay the fee. Okay, that's good. All right. What do we have more here? Visa requirements overview. So this is based on the country we have gone. Issuance, enclosed documents, medical insurance. So if you go for enclosed documents, okay. Short-term visa C, you can see what are the documents required. So purpose of stay, accommodation, support for yourself, transportation, and other things. So these are very similar photo specifications. So you have all the information available over here that you can use. And if we go back, medical insurance, letter of fee is also similar. All right, now we can go back to this. So once you're done with that, you can um, begin your application. Okay, book your appointment, pay your fee. So that's fine. Okay, fine. Select visa type, tourist. All right. Here also we can go for documents required. Okay, VFS guys have their own uploaded document here. So okay, perfect. All right. So this also you can use. They have also given the checklist, and you can download the form as well from here. All right. So again, summarize the process, fill the form, schedule an appointment, make sure you meet all the requirements, and then you're gonna go ahead and do it. Now, when it comes to fee, there are some additional charges also based on country. So for India, it's only cash. So make sure you go with sufficient cash. And I would suggest at least have like calculate what are the things you need and uh, carry at least exact amount. Don't carry less, but if it's too much crowded, better to pay the exact cash. So in order to get change, you don't worry about. Now, if we go here, see they have online visa application form as well. What exactly is this? So now they have like it's Shenzhen. So I'm not sure if this will go and complete it into Shenzhen visa or not, but so I'm not sure if it's still gone there, so I won't go much into that. But yes, we saw the process, how to do this. So in this way, we can go ahead and apply. So we found one form on this Shenzhen, their website itself, this form. But one we also found on VFS. So if I'm applying from India, I'll go prefer VFS, what they are doing it. Questions are almost same. Okay. So if you like, if I'm at your place, I'll prefer this form because for every country they have specific requirements. So I'll go for this form. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.